Dun dun dun! Look at how slow he's going. Thank you for going slow through this narrow road. Have a nice day, but don't apply your brakes too hardly, or that could happen. Oh no! Brace yourselves! Hey, where are you going towards the thingy? You shouldn't be going there. Oh no! Well, that serves him right. Yeah. Yeah. Slow down! He's simple. He's sausagey. He's going to... Yeah, we expected that to happen. Whoa, slow down! You scared me. You gave me a fright. That guy was going so slow, then he slammed on the accelerating toe for 9,000 miles an hour, and he's about to, yeah. That serves him right. That's probably the 5th thing that happened tonight. Yeah, the thing. Not a thing. I think you know what it is. I think it just ended the episode.